turn your YouTube studio or your bedroom like this into this for only $30, around $30 to $40. And so if that sounds interesting, let's go ahead and get right into the intro, boy. This is J.stallworth, known as J.stallworth, and welcome back to the channel. For those of you that are new here, I help motivate other people to pursue their careers and a videographer. And for today, this is more of a DIY today. If you guys are interested, make sure you smash that like button throughout the whole video. You can get this type of setting, this type of stuff, background, for only like $30 to $40, believe it or not. Let's go ahead and get right into it. Let me go ahead and look into my wallet real quick, see if I got enough. Hey yo, Andre.
Yeah.
Hey, I'm gonna need some money.
How much you need?
30 or 40.
Here.
Alright, thank you. Okay, we're at your local local Lowe's. Then we're gonna go ahead and try to cop some. I'm gonna go ahead and explain it in the studio right when we come back. And I'm back with the receipts. So, with the clamp light, it's gonna be $10 for the clamp light. For the LED, let me give you a tip for LEDs. So when you pick out an LED, make sure you look at the luminance. The more numbers it is, the brighter it is. The lower the number, then the dimmer it is, and it's less light. So you need as much light as possible. You can go to Amazon to get the stands, the light stands, and you need a diffuser. You only need tracing paper. Best diffusions for this type of light. Now, all the lights, bump down the ISO to get to the right type of feel. So let me do that real quick. Alright, and I'm gonna go ahead and bump down the ISO. Now this one is an optional. I only use this for practical lighting. Yeah, practical lighting. This is only just to fill into the background and stuff. A very awesome addition to the table. Keep it interesting. So that's what you can achieve with just one light. I know lighting can get very, very expensive, and that's why I came up with this video, just to help you guys achieve this light setup without breaking the bank. For those of you guys that watched until the end, thank you for 110 subscribers, man. We are on our way. Ooh, we are on our way. So, hey, 500 subscribers is my next goal. We gonna get it by hopefully the end of next year. I wanted to go ahead and do that. If not, ooh, can't wait to get 1,000 subs, man. So like, comment, subscribe, put the post notifications on so I can let you know the times that I post my videos. Until next time, I'm out. Peace.
Cool, 30 or 40?
Yeah.
I got you.
Oh!
What are you doing, bro?
Oh,
what makes you so funny?
No.
I
didn't mess up. I didn't mess up. It's still going. It's still going.
What makes you so funny, bro?
No.
What's so funny, bro? What you doing?
Hold on.
Alright, bro.
Alright, hold on.
I waste my time now.